tree. Where's the tree, Bob? Show Mommy where's the tree.
Yeah.
Bobby insists the tree is a flower. Isn't that sweet?
Wow.
Bobby. Bobby. No, that one's glass. No. Give it to Mommy. Bring it to Mommy.
Now you know what the date is.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. All right.
What's the question?
Yes. Yes.
Annette,
Even though we're playing
drinking
Thanksgiving.
wine?
I just said hello to you or anything.
I'm about to get a black eye. Do you know if my kids get? He doesn't have a black eye.
Let's see the food. Oh, we got nuts. We got dips. Ooh. You didn't know you were gonna have to listen to me singing, did you?
How many times are you going to say hello to yourself?
I know. It's kidding. Okay. As promised, here's the motorhome. The truck. The boat. Artie says the hell with you, doesn't want to show you the boat. So, you'll have to wait on the boat. All the states this motorhome's been to. There we go. Here's where you guys get to become dizzy as I tape while I walk.
Hey, you want to tape me juggling?
Sure. Wait, I gotta change the camera speed.
Annette, juggling.
All right.
Yeah, well, if we get Debbie out here, she can really juggle. This is make-believe juggling. Debbie can actually juggle 3 things. Wasn't that awesome?
We don't know why she had to carry the lawnmower over to get the car, but here she comes, the love of my life. She's ignoring me now.
According to Mr. Catania, this is the biggest selling car in America.
Which Mr. Catania is that?
Mr. Michael Catania. He saw it on TV. The biggest selling car in America. You're looking at it.
There we go, and we own one.
Yep.
Ha ha! Look at it,
Luxury,
4-wheel drive.
uncomparable to any other on the road.
Jeep Cherokee. Yuppies, eat your heart out. Now we're at our house. It's not on? There we go. Haha. Now we're in our house. Still the same day. Oh, there's the time. There's the day. Hello, baby.
Hello, hello. Let's go, let's go.
Oh, okay. Here's the motorhome from our house.
Oh, do you want to go inside the motorhome? We could take them inside and show
Zoom
them all
in.
the conveniences.
Oh, Dad says no inside the motorhome.
Why?
Sorry, Jeff, but you can't go inside.
Why? Because it's messy?
I guess.
Oh,
They'll probably kill us for saying that on the tape, but
we should go in anyway.
oh
Let's
well.
go in anyway.
Zzzt.
First she's on.
Start over. I wasn't on yet.
I'd like to introduce you to our neighbor, Shaitan. Is that right?
One of our more friendly neighbors.
Of course. Of course. You're kidding. They didn't.
A horse is a horse. A horse is a horse. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Well,
You have no manners. You have no manners.
well, I haven't been using the fader. I think I'll use the fader. There you go, Jeff.
This horse has no manners. He's drooling all over me. And he sits repulsive. That's disgusting.
Ooh, slob. What a slob horse you are.
Here, I'm throwing the rest at you. You got that crap all over my...
That's it. My prissy wife has horse drool all over her hands, and now she's just chucking apples at the horse. Whoop, that one hit him in the head. See ya. And there's the bird. Let's zoom in. Hey, Tom Turkey.
Birdie.
Tom Turkey. Looks purty purty. Purty Tom Turkey. And no, that's not the cook.
No, I did not cook this turkey. I can't.
She's the lifter.
Ah, there we go. There's the cook.
I made this.
Look at that.
Oh boy.
Show him the fish.
Take the top off. Take the top off.
Okay.
Homemade cheesecake.
I can't believe it fit in this dish.
Look at how close that fit is.
Did it?
Pretty cake.
I'm proud of this cheesecake.
I'm proud too.
I'll be proud after I eat it.
Can't be my daughter, she baked a cake.
Very nice, very nice. Everything looks good. Is that turkey done?
He sure is.
I think they just heard me burp on this tape. Laura's coming into the kitchen. Here we go.
One.
Usually Lars
I'm
is
not often on this end of the camera.
snapping photos. This time we caught him.
I'm unarmed.
Unharmed today.
I think that's enough for all of us.
Oh, there's more in the tray.
Hey, wait.
These are mushrooms.
Up, Bobster! Yo, Bob!
Stay away from that stove, Mr. Bob.
Hi, Bob.
That stove is hot.
Wait a minute. Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, wait, now you gotta say it.
Oh, now you got a picture of the real turkey.
It's on now, isn't it?
Say hi, Jeff. Say hi.
Hi to everybody.
Hi, everyone. Say hi. He's shooting you with his gun.
Mike and Sherry hanging out on the couch, watching
What are you doing?
Beauty and the Beast. Gaston, out the door with you. Into the mud, Gaston. Here's my favorite guy right there. Here we go. Do this over.
Okay, come here, Mike.
I didn't have the light on. Mike, back on the couch.
Oh, here's your fish. See, we use it every day.
Here's the fish.
Say happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
No!
Took a turn that way.
Hi, Bob.
What'd you do?
I think Michael just ran into the wall.
And you know, I thought about it. Well, maybe
I do the same thing.
I don't think anybody likes it.
And that's what he said. I don't know if anyone likes it. Everyone likes it.
Wine?
Because he never had.
There he is. Babu. Hey. Hey, Michael.
I can't breathe.
Hey, Nano!
Hey, Michael.
Babu.
Hey, Cheryl!
Here he is. Hey. Up.
Fisherman
Okay.
home from the sea. Jeff, remember him? That's it.
You'll probably be here before Grandma.
And time to carve the bird. Here it is.
I don't know how to talk to her yet. No,
For what?
but she should be on. Right there. Okay, I'll call you. Okay, bye.
No, Bobby has something to do with the camera.
Hey, hey, hey!
Was that better? Babu. Bobby's learned how to say Babo. There he is, the man with the knife.
Can't tell
Touché.
Sicilian.
Can't tell he's Sicilian. Oh. Let's see. What do we have going on back here?
We're changing.
Babo. There you go. Babo.
Sherry.
Babo.
Hello, Daddy. Yeah. Say hi. How big is Bobby?
So big.
How old are you?
One.
Where are your eyes?
Where's your eyes?
Big boy.
Where's your nose? Where's
Big
your
boy.
mouth? Where's your mouth?
Stop picking your nose.
Nice shot. Where's your mouth?
Don't show him his mouth after his nose.
I don't know.
Hello? Hello?
Here's the serving spoon.
That's pretty putrid.
That's it. Hello? You leaving, Bob?
Hey, Bob, you want to wave bye-bye to your poop?
Isn't it?
Say bye-bye, Poop.
Bobster.
There's Dad's beer.
Put that in the stuffing.
Bobster. Bobby.
Bobby's calling Chicken Delight. Said no turkey tonight. Call Chicken Delight.
Bobby, you stay here with the phone in case I have an emergency call here. Come on, son.
Hey, Bobby.
Say no turkey tonight. Call Chicken Delight.
Say bye-bye to Bobby's food.
Say bye-bye, Poop. Mom and Dad saying, where's that turkey?
Here I am.
I smell it. There I am.
There he is.
We got one guy answering the turkey.
Away.
Yeah, but that's okay.
Here it is, right over here. Voila.
Zoom in on that bird.
That's Tom.
Hey, Tom.
Tom Turkey.
Hi, Tom.
I can't wait to
By
eat
the
you.
time I get finished with him, you can call him Tom or Mary. It won't make a difference. I should make a profound statement in the VCR.
Bob. Bob.
Hey, what's up? Hi, what do you have? Oh, what's this? This is Dr. Medicine. That's very good.
Hey, that hurts.
Mike, take it easy.
Thank you. You want something else?
Come here, Bob.
I know you got that. I'm gonna put you next.
Oh my God.
Huh?
We have so much stuff here.
Is it too much?
No, I'm saying
Thanksgiving is supposed to be too much.
yeah, it's supposed to be that way. It's supposed to be that way.
I do.
You did.
Easy.
Who is it?
Hey, happy Thanksgiving.
Who's on the phone?
Jeff?
Hey, Jeff, I'm making your tape. There's Debbie talking to Jeff on the phone. Wait, let's put a time in here. Now we know exactly what time Jeff called.
You're cold now.
Dinner.
Does that change time with at the end of the year again?
I don't know. We'll make sure you don't. Missing. That's what I said.
Don't be sorry. You're in the camera now.
Hey, everybody, I'm ready.
Oh, wait. I missed that joke.
That is good.
I missed the joke.
Yeah, you don't have to listen.
Well, tell it again.
Just take your picture.
Let's watch Jeff on the phone.
That's what Jeff on the phone. You can see Jeff on the phone.
Jeff on the phone. Coming through. Everybody better move out.
You're driving me crazy. Uh-oh.
Hi, Sal. Your food is waiting. It's time to put the camera down.
Where'd he go?
Who?
He's hiding in the bathroom.
Bobby's not here. Just come
Covered over
inside
so
by
the flies
yourself.
don't eat
Yep, pretty much.
Throwing up.
Make room for more.
This one too?
How did he throw up?
Just that, make the flies work harder to get at it.
And that made cheesecake. Here we
You guys
go.
realize it is 72 degrees in here?
Uh-oh. Bobby took the lamp. My knees are down. Watch your fingers, Bob.
You took what apart?
On this lamp. He always takes it. Oh.
Hold on. He's testing my ingenuity. I'm trying to put it in there tighter. Didn't work. Where are you going with that?
I think the cheesecake may have warmed up a little. It got kind of soft.
You fit in the fridge?
Yes. Can't fit in here. Well, then it'll be okay.
Oh, the shark baby has the teeth, baby, and he shows them pearly white.
Make sure the others are
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Oh no, there used to be nail polish on it. But it's closed, you can't.
You know, bowls with blackberries. She has one like purpley mauve color.
Michael's playing the flute.
Because she shaves her goats out there and she spins her own yarn and then she dyes it with the blackberries. It actually is a really pretty color. She has like 3 different
I'm
shades.
surprised you remember that. That has stain on it.
One was blackberry, one was, it was all natural dyes. You can see how they must have done it years ago.
You're asking him? Right?
Yes.
Isn't it on?
They were very pretty colors, actually.
No?
No.
Yeah.
Ah, there it is.
There went dead
It
again.
went out.
Huh.
Battery's going dead. Test it out.
Light on the bit. Light on the one.
Well, this light is dead, so
Light's not on anymore.
Oh, it is?
I think we got plenty of light though here. So.
How's the cake, Mike?
Is that good? Is that good,
You're
Bob?
not getting down with the cake. Eat it here.
Did
Eat
you
it
taste
here.
this? Can I have some? Can I have some?
Up, down, up.
Hey, Bob.
Bob, what's Daddy want?
Look at Daddy. Look at your father.
That's
Down,
your fault.
Ah, ah.
You finished? Wait a minute. Give me that.
No, now he's me.
Okay, now you
That's
sit
it.
down. Now you
What?
sit down.
Just wipe his face.
Okay, all right. You're out of here. You're out of here. Okay,
Jerry?
okay.
Where is she?
Going to find me.
Is what?
You call it back, Jerry.
Emerald green and gray.
Hey, you taste this? It's too short.
Hi. Come on, Lars. You've been doing this to everybody for 3 years.
He's exhausted. We gotta play some. Wanna play charades? Play Pony Express? Wanna play Pony Express?
Hi, Mike.
What's Pony?
Say Happy Thanksgiving.
That's like,
Good job. So then you go to the next one and try and get as many as you can.
alright, let me see the words.
Hi, Deb.
Hi,
Nick.
Okay, so we may have to go. Aren't you supposed to go every other person?
Oh, here we are. Thanksgiving's over and we're playing silly games.
Is that why you're never sitting next to somebody?
I'm watching sexy videos.
When you're looking at,
What you gotta do is you gotta
Grandpas are here.
take this word and you gotta explain it to everybody without using any of these words in your
or any
description.
form of this word.
Or any form of that word.
Heather,
Where are we gonna sit here?
Sam,
I'll sit over there.
Well, let's decide where.
Robert.
Robert.
Robert. Hi, Robert.
Robert, you're on video.
Hi.
Hey, go sit over there.
Sherry.
What were you playing?
Happy Thanksgiving.
I don't know. I guess you play for yourself, right?
Well,
Where's you playing?
No.
Lars.
Oh, okay.
We'll have a sleep break on the team.
And there's Nana. And look who's down here.
No, that's fine. We'll just have
Where'd he
two
go?
teams. You guys will all be on a team.
How about that side of the table?
over there.
That's what I said. You can
Whose side do you want?
that one.
Then our side.
Oh, look, there they are.
Okay, so
Oh,
Alright,
yeah.
how many people
How do you feel, Sal?
yeah, me.
So, that cheesecake just did you in, huh?
Yeah, but how do we have to gather around?
But look, what have you got here?
You just have to find it.
Oh, hell.
In other words, I pick a word and I gotta explain it to you.
He's trash. He's trash.
Do you have the backlight on?
And Sherry's gonna
No, I don't think I do.
If you say one of these words, just put it to the side because I'll do mine.
He's out cold. I hope giving card that Michael made for his family and for his nanas and papas. His little hand made into a turkey. Can you see that? Can you see the detail on that? Huh? Maybe I'm too close. Nana and Papa. This is just a turkey, as anyone can see. I made it with my hand, which is a part of me. It comes with love to say, have a happy Thanksgiving Day. Love, Michael. Very sweet. That's what it's all about. We all need to be thankful for our families and our children, and once a year put things in perspective. We love you. Let's go say goodnight to Sal and Mikey. I think we could probably catch him snoozing.
Thanks was given in South Central Los Angeles. Suburban kids joining inner city kids to brighten up the neighborhood and break down a few barriers.
I think it looks like they fell asleep prematurely. Out cold. Well, good night, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll be in a minute to take you into your room. Go wake Sal up.
Thanksgiving 92. On the other side of the world, they don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but British taxpayers are giving thanks tonight.
Hey, how are those two?
Is offering to ease their burden by paying income tax for the first time.
Let's see, what's in this darker? Ah, a little light. You could just tell. Well, here we are in the backyard. I have the video camera on. This is Bobby's first experience with snow. I'm running around like a crazy woman trying to find the other battery. Oh yeah, getting him dressed wasn't easy. He didn't want to put those gloves or that hat on or those boots on or the 2 pairs of pants. Well, I can go inside and look for it. Are you really going to go to Toys R Us now? Oh. No, I don't know many doctors around here. Yeah. Yeah, he used to be in Paulsville, but he's in Silverdale now.
There's some at the house.
What pills? Are you still taking those? You know, I saw, hold on a second.
What's in this, Mama?
Let me see. Cool! What do you think of the snow?
Good.
It's good, huh? Is it cold and wet?
So I can just take it in.
What do you think of the snow, Bob?
It's cold.
You wanna go in the car?
Mama,
Why don't you use that plow that you have, that yellow Tonka truck plow?
My dump truck? My dump truck? Mama?
That plow thing that you have.
No, I want my dump truck. I see that works in here.
Okay, I believe it's in the garage. Go ahead,
Would
take a
you
look.
come help me find it?
Okay. What are you doing, Bob? Are you mowing the lawn? Are you mowing the lawn, Bobster? What's wrong, honey? It's hard to move around with all those clothes on? I know. You want a car too? Like Mikey has? Mr. Mike? Could you look at me for a second? Would you go get the other yellow truck for Bobby? Please? Alright, I'll get you a car. Just a second. There's a car for you, Bob. Car, I think he's cold, so we're gonna go in now. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, Mr. Snowman, for all the fun. Wave goodbye, Mike. Something else I wanted to show you. The boys are having dessert. How is that, Bob?
He's a Dalmatian.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you painted his face like that? Of course, Michael, our skinny one, he didn't want pudding. He wanted a nice pup. But he elected to paint his brother Bobby's face with the... Oh, not in his eye, not in his eye. Oh, hold a second. Okay, we got it out of his eyes. And his hair, oh, how nice. Is that good, Bob? I did give him a choice between the vanilla and the chocolate, and of course, he chose the chocolate. How big are you, Bobby? How big is Bobby?
So big.
How big is Bobby? So big. How old are you? 1. I'm so big. How old are you? 1. Good job. Wait, I have something to show you. Tink. Hi, Tink. Hi, Tink.
I'm looking at you.
Me and Tink are buddies. Hello.
Hey! Me! Hey!
Mikey wants to hold Tink. You need to calm down because Tink's a little bit nervous. He can't quite figure out what I'm pointing at him here. Or why he can't kiss me. Tinky doo 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 doo. Give a kiss to the camera. Hi, Tink. Have a kiss. Thank you. Hi, dude.
Hi, dude.
Hello. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, I'll put you on Mikey's arm. Mikey's just dying to hold you. Uh-oh. Leave him be, leave him be. Mike, you're in the way. Michael, he's hissing at you. He doesn't want you to come near him.
Why?
I don't know, but I'm not right next to you, so don't get close to him, okay?
You want something on my arm?
Michael, did you see he almost bit you?
He bit the ear.
I always thought out of here. I would be surprised if just the one who dropped a couple of roots.
Michael, he's gonna bite you. I know that bird. Step back, please. I think he likes Rudolph. Alright, we better go because Bobby is getting impatient with his music.
Don't put him back in his cage, alright?
Don't bite me. Unless you mean think of a fight.
We're putting him back in his cage, Mama.
I don't think he wants to be held.
Mikey's preschool performance.